Shanghai, a city renowned for its blend of modernity and tradition, comes alive every year with the Shanghai Street Festival, an extraordinary event that showcases the best of art, culture, and community spirit. Held every September, this festival transforms the bustling streets of the city into a stage for vibrant performances, immersive cultural displays, and unforgettable experiences. What is the Shanghai Street Festival? The Shanghai Street Festival, officially known as the Shanghai International Tourism Festival, has been captivating locals and international visitors since its inception in 1990. Held every September, this multi-week extravaganza is not just a festival. It's a celebration of culture, art, and unity. From stunning parades to live performances, street markets, and illuminated displays, the event invites attendees to immerse themselves in the sights, sounds, and flavors of both Shanghai and the world. The festival begins with a grand opening parade, a highlight that draws massive crowds along prominent streets like Weihai Road and Nanjing Road. This visually stunning procession features spectacular floats. Each float represents different countries, cities, or cultural themes, adorned with intricate designs, lights, and artistic motifs. Cultural performances. Dance troupes, musicians, and martial artists from across the globe showcase their talents, blending international styles with traditional Chinese elements such as lion and dragon dances. Vivid costumes. Performers don traditional and creative outfits, adding a colorful, festive atmosphere that leaves spectators in awe. The parade is a microcosm of the festival's spirit, celebrating diversity, creativity, and the unity of cultures. The streets of Shanghai become an open-air theater throughout the festival. Wherever you turn, there's a performance to enjoy. Music for every taste. From traditional Chinese folk instruments to jazz, pop, and orchestral renditions, music lovers will find something that resonates with them. Street art. Watch as talented artists create murals and graffiti live, reflecting Shanghai's urban energy and cultural heritage. Acrobatics and circus acts. Performers bring the crowd to the edge of their seats with jaw-dropping stunts and routines, celebrating the city's famous acrobatic traditions. Art and culture enthusiasts will find the festival equally rewarding. Highlights include workshops and exhibits. Join hands-on activities like calligraphy, paper cutting, and tea ceremonies, or explore exhibitions showcasing Shanghai's artistic legacy. Photography showcases. Professional and amateur photographers capture the festival's vibrancy, presenting Shanghai in a new light. Temporary art installations. Public spaces feature art that combines traditional aesthetics with contemporary creativity. These experiences provide insight into both the local culture and its global influences. As the sun sets, the festival takes on a magical vibe, with nighttime attractions that are simply mesmerizing. Light shows. Shanghai's famous skyline becomes even more dazzling with choreographed light displays set to music. Fireworks extravaganza. Over the Huangpu River, spectacular fireworks light up the night, offering the perfect finale to a day of exploration. Pop-up carnivals. Amusement rides, games, and live music ensure entertainment for families and children into the night. What makes this festival stand out is its celebration of global unity and cultural exchange. Each year, Shanghai welcomes countries as special guests of honor, offering them a platform to share their traditions and stories with a global audience. This international collaboration highlights Shanghai's role as a hub for global tourism and culture, embodying the city's openness and modern identity while cherishing its rich heritage. The Shanghai Street Festival is more than just an event. It's an experience that encapsulates the city's energy and charm. Whether you're dancing to live music, savoring a delicious dumpling, or marveling at a stunning light show, you'll find yourself swept up in the magic of Shanghai. If you're planning a trip to China or looking for an unforgettable cultural experience, make sure to add the Shanghai Street Festival to your itinerary. It's a celebration of diversity, creativity, and the indomitable spirit of one of the world's most exciting cities. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Shanghai Street Festival. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel stories and guides about China. See you at the next festival.